For the third question for the Investigation 2 quiz, we read, Jabal and Michael are walking to school and agree to leave their houses at the same time. Jabal leaves his house walking 2 meters per second. Michael leaves his house walking 2.5 meters per second. And Jabal's house is 10 meters closer to school than Michael's house. So if we were to fill in our table at 0 seconds, Jabal is not at 0 because he has a 10-meter lead. He's closer by 10 meters, so he's starting at 10 meters. Michael does not have a starting point or a head lead. So he's just at 0 so far. We'd fill in our seconds just by ones. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we know our rate for Jabal by reading the statement above. Jabal leaves his house walking 2 meters per second. So for every second, his distance is increasing by 2. So in 1 second, he increases by 2. But it's not 2 for 1 second, it's 2 plus what he started out with. And then we'd add 2 for every second. Michael walks at a little bit of a faster speed if we read the statement above. Michael leaves his house walking 2.5 meters per second. So at 0 seconds, he's only at 0, but he increases by 2.5 meters every second. So 2.5 plus 0 is 2.5. If we add 2.5 to that, that's 5. Add 2.5, that's 7.5. Then 10, then 12.5, then 15. And the question they ask us is, after how long do the boys meet up? Well, so far we see that after 6 seconds, or at 6 seconds, they have not quite reached the same distance yet. Jabal is still ahead. So what you're going to have to do is continue the table until they both have the same distance. So you'd want to add rows or columns until you have the right amount. So you'd go to 7, you'd add 2 for Jabal and 2.5 for Michael. And you continue this until they have the same distance. So that's how you're going to be able to find where the boys meet up. So if you continue this, you'll go to 8, 9, 10, 11, all the way until they both have the same distance. And that'll tell you after how long do the boys meet up.